To make this easy cinnamon apple cake, you're going to start by creaming the sugar and butter. Add the room temperature butter and sugar to a bowl, and then use a paddle attachment to cream it until light and fluffy. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can also use an electric hand mixer to cream the butter and sugar. See how nice and fluffy that is? Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl to get all the butter fully incorporated. You want to make sure to do this so that you don't have any lumps of butter in the batter. With the mixer running on low speed, you're going to add the eggs and vanilla extract. You can add them a little bit at a time to make sure that they blend into the butter and sugar mix evenly. Once again, don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. You really want the batter to be nice and smooth. Once your butter and eggs are blended, you're going to add all of your dry ingredients. Add the flour, the baking powder, the cinnamon, and salt all at once, and then blend everything together into a nice, smooth batter. The batter will be a little bit thicker than a regular cake batter, but that's okay. It's exactly what you want for this easy cinnamon apple cake. Next, you're going to peel and cut your apples. You want to use baking apples like Honeycrisp. Those are my favorite because they're sweet and tangy. Cut your apples into pieces about 1/2 inch in size. You can do this roughly, it doesn't have to be exact. You just want to have the apples nice and small so that you get apples in every single bite of the cake. Stir the apples into your cake batter by hand. You don't want to use a mixer as it can crush the apples and make too much liquid in the batter. Just add the apples to the bowl, give it a quick stir, and you'll be totally fine. Next, scoop the apple cake batter into a greased cake pan. You can use a springform pan or a regular cake pan. Both will work perfectly. Your pan should be about 9 inches in size. An 8-inch pan will work as well. It'll just make a little bit of a thicker cake. Use your spatula to spread the cake batter in the cake. You want it to be nice and even so that it bakes perfectly in the oven. Once your cake is nice and smooth, it's ready to bake. Look at all those beautiful apple pieces. I can't wait. The cake is done when it's perfectly golden brown on top. Let it cool for about 10 minutes in the pan before taking it out. You can slice it and serve it while it's warm, or you can wait until it's cold. This easy apple cake tastes delicious both ways. You can also sprinkle the cake with a little bit of powdered sugar if you'd like to give it a little bit more eye appeal and also a little bit more sweetness. Look at that beautiful crumb cake. I know that you're going to love this cinnamon apple cake, and I hope you guys give it a try.